The world's first fully immersive personal cinema, a headset that brings you an IMAX-like movie experience in the size of a book. While a normal cinema on average gives you an angle of around 54 degrees, the Cinera screen is considerably larger and on par with a 70-degree angle of the IMAX screen. To guarantee the image quality on its super wide screen, Cinera uses groundbreaking dual 2.5K displays with a resolution 3 times that of a cinema and 8 times that of an iPhone 7 Plus. Driving such high resolution is beyond the capabilities of any existing mobile processors on the market. Unlike existing products, which split a single screen into 2 and only use the central part of the screen, Cinera's dual-screen architecture utilizes up to 95% of the screen area, which achieves 4 times the sharpness and fully alleviates the screen door effect. Cinera is also super easy to use. It works like any Android smartphone. You can install your favorite streaming apps like Netflix or HBO, or play from a microSD card. It also works like a TV by simply connecting the headset to a Blu-ray player, gaming console, or a computer. With a simple click, Cinera upgrades your conventional entertainment to an immersive and cinematic experience. Because a comfortable experience using Cinera has always been one of our top priorities, we designed an ergonomic hands-free arm to take the weight off the headset. The burden-free arm can be easily adjusted to any position and can be attached to different surfaces. It allows for a new way of watching movies, burden-free, truly immersed in the movie without discomfort.
Inirv React uses a combination of sensors and electronics within these units to turn your stove off when a hazardous situation is detected or before one even arises. Attach your existing knobs to the device or use them as your new knobs and place a sensor unit on the ceiling above. This unit is the brains of the device and houses a gas sensor and smoke detector, which when activated signal the knob unit to turn off the burner. This unit also contains a motion sensor that's linked to the timer in the knob unit. You select the time interval you want using the touch sensor, or you can use the default setting. If no motion is detected in the vicinity of your stove during that time interval, the knob will activate and turn your stove off.
Inirv React's novel design allows it to work on any gas or electric stove and attach to knobs of all shapes and sizes. And if you're away from home, the smartphone app allows you to check whether your stove is on and turn it off if needed. You can even adjust the temperature of your stove to ensure your food doesn't overcook. We hope Inirv React will provide you with the peace of mind you deserve. Together, we can help to prevent the devastating effects caused by house fires. Thank you.
Introducing the VEIU Doorbell, the world's smartest video doorbell. The idea is simple. Whenever motion is detected on your doorstep, our invention will notify your phone and give you a live video feed or image of your visitor through the wide-angle 180-degree HD lens.
Oh, hey, man.
How's it going?
Come on in. The party's just getting started in the backyard.
Oh, cool. Sounds good.
See you here.
You can see who's at your door from anywhere. It's not just about convenience, but also protecting your home and family.
Hey, what do you guys think you're doing?
And you have a recorded video or snapshot to give to the police. You can also chat with people at your door while you're away from home.
Hello?
Hi, I've got a package for Debbie.
I'm not home right now. Could you leave it on the porch?
All right, sounds good. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
The VEIU Doorbell is so easy to use. It has a frustration-free setup. It's so user-friendly that everyone can use it, even kids and grandparents.
Hey son, we'll be right there.
Hey Uncle Mike!
Hey bud, how you doing?
It can be installed in less than 5 minutes and connects directly to your home Wi-Fi. making it possible to receive the live video feed through the Equus app from wherever you are. Unlike home security systems, the VEIU doorbell has no monthly fee and operates with a rechargeable battery. Whether you like entertaining, want more safety for your family, are away from home, or just want to see who's on your doorstep, the VEIU doorbell is a life-changing solution. With your support, together we can make our product come alive. We can put the VEIU doorbell into full-scale production and deliver it to your door soon. The VEIU doorbell, the world's smartest video doorbell, at your fingertips.
This is Tile. Tile helps you find things. Anything. Stick it to your laptop and worry less. Attach it to your keys and never be late. Drop it in your purse and you're good to go. It works very simply. Finding things with Tile is easy. Through the Tile app on your phone, you can track distance to your lost item. The app shows you as you get closer. And Tile has other features too. You can log into your Tile account on anyone's smartphone to search for your items. Tile has a tiny speaker that rings loudly, so you can find it in seconds. It works the other way around too. Your keys can now help find your phone. Simply double press the button on your Tile to make your phone ring, even on silent. Tile is the simplest way to find your phone, keys, or anything else that matters to you. Tile is affordable and it's tiny. If your bike goes missing, you can mark it as a lost item. This puts all other Tile apps on the lookout for your Tile. If any Tile user gets within range of your bike, their phone will discreetly and securely communicate with our cloud system, and you'll be sent a notification of your bike's whereabouts. Let Tile find the small things, so you can find the big ones.
EvaDrop, the first smart shower that helps you save water. Did you know the average shower uses 17 gallons of water? Of course you didn't. With EvaDrop, you can cut that in half. Here, let me show you how it works. Usually, when you turn on the shower, you occupy yourself with other, more inventive ways to pass the time, waiting for that perfect temperature. That is, until you realize you've been running the water the entire time.
How much water did I waste?
I wasn't even in the shower yet, but now with EvaDrop, I can program the temperature I like, and its internal heat sensor detects when it hits my desired temperature and cuts the flow of water. No more waste of water while you're away from the shower. Now, when I walk into the shower and turn on the water, it's hot right away, no waiting. That's not all. EvaDrop can do even more. It uses its proximity sensor system to automatically adjust the flow of water depending on where I am in the shower and what I'm doing. If I'm right under the shower head rinsing shampoo from my hair, I get 100% flow right when I need it. But if I step back to soap up, the water flow reduces, saving water while still keeping me comfortable and warm. If I go even further away to get soap or even shave my legs, it reduces the flow of water even more. It's simple and automatic. Ooh, smooth. EvaDrop's universal design fits any shower, any size, and is easily installed between your existing shower head and the wall. But what's really cool is the EvaDrop app. All of this can be controlled and tracked through the app, so I can set goals, adjust preferences, switch between large and small shower settings, even see how much water I'm saving each day. So take it from Smart Bob, get EvaDrop. It's a smarter way to shower.
Most people want to see what's going on around their property, but they honestly don't want to do the wiring and all of the hassle and everything it takes to actually put up cameras. LightCam requires no drilling, no wires, no hassle. You just plug it in, turn it on, and it works. We designed LightCam to be the most versatile and affordable camera for your house. Your camera is HD, it's infrared so it can see in the dark. So first of all, if you have a taller structure, if you have a shorter one, you can actually telescope it up and down. When you pick your viewing angle, it'll actually rotate side to side depending on where you actually want to see. Your actual lens comes out so you can aim your camera down. If you have a vertical sconce, you can actually go ahead and switch that so you can get the viewing angle you want. This telescoping lens actually can connect up with the glass of your enclosure. What that means is you're not going to have glare or any of the blinding kind of like, hey, the infrared's bouncing off the glass or the light is bouncing off the glass. I can't see anything at night. It's got motion activation, so if you have visitors, you're going to know about it. It has a two-way voice on it. You're going to be able to adjust the colors. LightCam is designed with high-end cob LEDs, so your light should last 15 to 20 years. I mean, we've spent basically 2 years perfecting every piece we could to make sure that it would work in as many different situations as possible. LightCam is an amazing product and it's going to benefit a ton of people. We really appreciate you guys watching this, and we hope that you'll help us by backing the campaign and by sharing it with your friends and family so that we can bring this great product to everybody.